Everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today I am going to share about the free demo class in for our upcoming course, which is Advanced SAS. As you already know, SAS is one of the high paid domain and one of the important part of the clinical operation, where all the clinical data has to be clean and converted into the table, listing and graph format. So the SAS is a mandatory software for every company because SAS is FDA approved. So whenever you are working on the SAS, your designation is SAS programmer, a clinical data analyst. So if you wish to build your career in the SAS, this course, so if you wish to build your career in SAS, we providing you 3 months training program in Advanced SAS, where we teach you base SAS, Advanced SAS and overview of the clinical SAS. So these courses we provide about various raw data as well, and from the day one itself we providing the software. So this course will definitely beneficial if you are a fresher or early level experienced person and want to learn about the SAS. You can join our course. For more details you can call to this number, or in description I already provided all the details related to the course. So admissions are still open. But about this video I'm talking that our first class of the SAS, which is completely free to all. So this is the free demo class. So that is why I request all of you to join if you wish to know about the SAS, if you wish to build your career in the SAS, and if you want to know more about our training program also. So how you can join, how to participate? Very simple. When it is conducted on the 28th of July 2024, this Sunday, timing morning 10 a.m. onwards, and the platform is online. So how you can join? You can just scan this QR code, which is the WhatsApp group of our free demo class. If you scan, you can auto enroll in our demo class group of WhatsApp. Otherwise you can call to this number or fill Google form given in the description, so that you can share your details and we will add you in the respective group of the demo class. Okay, this demo class is announced because of awareness. Everyone needs to know about the SAS, and if you have any query, ask to the expert, because our experts provide all the information related to the SAS in this demo class. And if you wish to know about more, you can ask. And about the certification and about our training program, you will get first domain knowledge like SAS, then skill development and placement assistance also along with the course. Hope you will join our demo class, which will be definitely helpful to you for getting more knowledge and also know more about our training program. That's it from this video. If you like the content, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, which provides various career opportunity, interview tips and courses information. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. That's it. Thank you. All the best.